Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Omaya and I would love for you guys to subscribe if you haven't already. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. So today I'm going to share my favorite modest clothing hacks. Now I know that modesty for everyone is a little bit different, whether it's your personal preference or your religious beliefs. So hopefully there will be some hacks and tricks in here that will help you out. And also give this video a share if you know of anyone that will benefit from watching these hacks. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so starting with hack number 1. For all of my ladies who love wearing midi dresses like I do, but do not want to wear leggings underneath, I have the perfect hack for you. It's very simple and I'm pretty sure you have it in your closet. It's a maxi skirt. It's flowy, it's flattering, and it looks like you put some thought into your outfit. Now, the reason why I personally do not like wearing leggings underneath a midi dress is because I feel like it takes away from the design of the dress, your overall look. The leggings just honestly covers the skin, but it still shows the shape of your legs, which is a little bit off if you're wearing a midi dress and it's flowy. So for me personally, I feel like it just cheapens the look, the overall look. Give it a try, let me know what you think. So for whatever reason, I can't seem to escape V-necks. They find me, I find them. I love V-necks. I love V-neck shirts and blouses and dresses, but obviously as a hijabi, it's very difficult to wear them, to rock them, especially when the entire area is exposed and we need to cover that area. So what I used to do before was to wear my blouses backwards and then just cover it with a blazer, with a jacket. And that was cute and everything, but it was just too much layering. And I live in Florida and it's just way too hot to just keep layering, especially with wearing hijab. So one day I walked into Zara and found the solution to my problem. So they sell these white straps, stretched tank tops that are fully lined, great quality, and it comes in every color possible. The best part though is that it's under $13. So you know I had to get myself like 3 of each because just in case there's a shortage of these tank tops, I'm like, okay, I just need to stock up on every single color that they have. And well, the colors that I mostly wear are black, nude, off-white, and white. So I got like 3 of each. And I'm telling you guys, you will love these tank tops if you're having the same difficulty as me, especially if you love wearing V-neck shirts or just can't escape them like me for whatever reason. So the hack is this: I wear these tank tops backwards because the backside has a very high neck and it completely covers everything, like all of this area. So that is my trick for all of my V-neck problems is wearing the tank top backwards. It's so comfortable, super stretchy, fully lined, made of great quality. Had these for over a year now and they're still, no lie, like in great shape. So I would just suggest for you guys to go give it a try, get 1 of each color or the colors that you mostly wear, and thank me later. So this next hack isn't really a modest clothing hack, but it is a hack for us hijabis, especially for those who love to layer on necklaces. And although I love it so much, it legit takes me, oh my god, it takes me about like 10 to 15 minutes to layer every piece of a necklace in the order that I want them to be. And also like my hijab gets in the way, like my hijab just like, you know, like falls as it usually does, especially if it's a windy day, and then it just messes the order of my necklace. And then it just gets tangled and I just get frustrated and I just want to take it off, right? But then I saw this hack on TikTok. I mean, out of all places, TikTok, right? This girl was having the same issues as me. So she found this product on Amazon that is pretty much a necklace separator. It would separate each necklace and it will not tangle. So I bought this, I tried it out, and I absolutely loved it. And that's the reason why I'm sharing it with you guys, especially for those who love wearing jewelry and love to layer their necklaces. Girls, give it a try. Alright, so moving on to the next hack. So as a hijabi, we're already limited to our modest options when we go shopping, especially when it comes to shopping for a top. I don't know about you, but it's so difficult for me to find the perfect blouse. For me, the perfect modest blouse is something that will cover my arms, my chest, my behind, and also the front area, if you know what I'm talking about. So I need my blouse to be long in length because I'm very curvy, and although you can't really notice, because I tried to hide it well, but my hips speak for themselves. So when I wear a blouse and I tuck it underneath my jeans, it's just not as modest as I would like it to be. Okay, so the hack that has worked for me is to shop for long sleeve mini dresses. Keyword, mini dresses. It's just the perfect length that I'm looking for to cover all the areas that I have already mentioned. Plus it's flattering, flowy, and I can still keep up with the latest trends, and not to mention it's so easy to find nowadays. Okay, so another fashion trend that I personally loved but found so difficult to wear at first were midi skirts. Disclaimer, this hack will only work during the fall and winter. I do not recommend for you to try it during the spring or summertime because it's just way too hot for this. So what I have found that worked for me was to wear knee-high boots underneath midi skirts. It completely covers the rest of your leg, especially if you're hijabi and you're not wanting to show your legs. And I've actually seen a lot of non-hijabis also rock their midi skirts with knee-high boots. It's super trendy and cute. So last but not least, this is my favorite hack by far, and I found it also on TikTok. It's the jean hack. So for modesty purposes, I like to go a size up or two for my jeans and my pants, just because I want to have a loose fit. But the only problem that I encounter with this is that the waistline is just way too big. And a lot of times it just like my pants just, you know, fall off, and I'm like, okay, great. And although belts do a great job at holding, you know, everything tight, it just looks bulky. It just looks very weird in this area. So I found this hack on TikTok a couple months ago. It just worked great for me. So there are two options. So option number one is to grab a shoelace or a ribbon and loop it through the back of the belt loop in your denim. Tie it, tuck it, and your waist will be snatched. You can just cover it with wearing your blazer over it or maybe a blouse. You guys have to try it out if you're having the same issues as me. Option number two, unbutton your jeans, then take that button and go underneath the first belt loop, and then go ahead and button up your jeans all over again, and you will see a big difference. Your waistline will shrink, it will be snatched, and you're welcome. Alright guys, and those are my modest clothing hacks. I hope you guys will benefit from this. Like I mentioned earlier, if you know of anyone that will benefit from watching these hacks, please go ahead and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram where I post daily videos and pictures, and I would love to see you guys there. Oh, and if you have any modest hacks or tips that I didn't cover on this video, please go ahead and share it down below in the comment section so I can check it out, and hopefully we can all benefit from it. Also, let me know what other types of videos you would like for me to film, and see you next time.